In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix real-time protection not turning on Windows 10 or 11. First thing, open the Windows search and type on CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as an administrator. And then click Yes to confirm. In the command prompt, paste the first command provided in the description box. Press Enter to execute the command, and next, paste the second command and press Enter again to execute it. After the commands have been executed, close the command prompt and open Windows Security. Navigate to the Virus and Threat Protection section. Click on Manage Settings and toggle on the Real-Time Protection option. And confirm any prompts that appear. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.